Hey guys, how you going? Just a video about what I really like about my unit in my car. So this is a, if it'll move, this is my 2003 Land Cruiser 100 series, and I've got our M series in my car. First things first, it looks good. I like how it looks. I'm pretty fussy with these kinds of things, and yeah, it just looks good. It fits in with the existing radio very well and doesn't look out of place or like a cheap job. It's nice and neat, which is nice. So yeah, it just looks good. That's the first thing. Second thing, the boot up time. So I really enjoy the fact that when I get in the car, and I'll show you in a second, by the time I've actually gotten all the stuff out of my pockets and done all that kind of thing, the unit's on, working, running. CarPlay is already up. My music's already playing. So if I get some volume here. Okay, so I'm gonna go outside. The car is completely off. Got my keys here. And I'll just show you what I basically do in the morning when I'm going to work. So, you know, I'm outside the car at the moment, and so I'll open the car, and usually I'll reach in, I'll start the car before I actually hop in. And then I got my phone here, and this is just another phone, but let's just say it's my wallet. So I got my wallet in. All right, so I'm hopping in the car. Cool. Right, now I'm ready. So, you know, I'm gonna shut my door. Okay, cool. And by the time I'm actually ready to, you know, put my car in reverse, which is the next thing, the camera, it's up and running and ready, which is nice. I'm not sitting here waiting forever for it to actually load up, which is always good. So yeah, now the reversing camera. It's a fisheye lens, so you can see here, like I can see all the way down the street, which is good because it's quite safe. You know, some people drive like maniacs, and it's good just knowing that I can see both ways down the road when I'm reversing. It is very, very handy in a car this size as well. It's not easy to sometimes judge the limits of the vehicle, so yeah, it's good, works well, and you know, I can do whatever I want with it, right? You know, it's got every app I can possibly imagine. I spend 99% of my time in CarPlay, just driving around, but I do know that later on down the track, if I want to do anything, you know, particularly complicated with the unit or extra with the unit, I can. You know, another thing, like I sound great on phone calls. People have told me. Up in this corner here, I got external microphone, if you can see it there, that comes with our units. So I'll just zoom in on that for a second, if you can see that for a sec. There it is. So it's pretty good. You know, people are always surprised. It's quite a quiet car, but it's not, you know, it's not a Rolls Royce. And over bumps and things, like, it just kind of helps it. Call quality be good. It has an inbuilt microphone, but the external one's a lot better. It's just because of the position of it. Nothing you can really do if the microphone's here, but yeah, it just works. That's the only real way I can describe it to people. It's just good. The things you care about are what it's best at, which I think is really good. So yeah, I've had a really good experience with mine. No real problems or anything of that sort. Very easy to install. Went straight into the existing fascia, and yeah, it's just been awesome ever since. So yeah, thanks for